Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I want to make this quick video talking about this income calculator that I created. It's for, monthly covered call ETFs, as you can see in the description right here, specifically QYLD, QYLG, XYLD, XYLG, and RYLD. These are all covered call ETFs. Some of them have different allocations. But pretty much what you do, you come down here and select which ETF you're interested in creating the illustration for. If you want 100% covered call, you go with QYLD against, and if you want it to be against the NASDAQ, you would do QYLD. QYLG is the same thing as QYLD, but it has a 50-50% allocation and so on. So we can just do the QYLD here and then say we have $10,000 invested into this fund, and then it spits out, as you can see, the annual income, monthly income, what index you're targeting, and then the dividend yield. So I haven't updated this since March, so that dividend yield is probably a little bit higher than what it currently is. I'll send an update for that. Maybe something else I could add is the fees, because I do know the expense ratios for these funds are a little bit higher because, the fund managers do have to be pretty active with this type of fund. So maybe that's something I can add here. Maybe I can also add maybe 5-year, 1-year, year-to-date performance, just so you can get an idea of which one is performing the best. But yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. Feel free to leave any suggestions below. I definitely want to make this a little bit better if possible. Get some feedback from you guys, because you guys have some more experience investing into these funds, and you could tell me kind of like what data might be cool to have. And then you can see here a little bit of a description down here at the bottom, and then just explaining some different examples in the industry, explaining what a covered call is. So if you're not aware, a covered call is an ETF managed by an investment firm that writes covered call options against either the underlying index or specified individual stocks. So example, the QYLD, they're going to invest like they're investing into the NASDAQ 100. So, Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, a lot of big tech stocks. And then they're going to acquire shares or acquire long options to those shares. And then they're going to leverage that by selling covered call options against those positions. So, with this, it's definitely an income play. If you're looking for growth, QYLD, all these covered call ETFs are not really going to be the best bet for you. I would recommend, first of all, I'm not a financial advisor. This is all for educational purposes only. Seek your own financial advisor before investing into the market if need be. But as always, do your own research before investing. That's what I recommend. But yeah, so if you want like more of a growth, maybe you can just go straight to the QQQ index or NASDAQ 100 index or the QQQ ETF. So if you're growth, this is definitely not a play for growth. Now, if you're looking for income, QYLG, that's an interesting one. Let's see what their yield is. It's about half of what QYLD is. Yeah, so you see 5.95%. It's a 50-50 allocation. And another thing you could do too, you can invest into maybe like QQQM. That's the same thing as QQQ, but it has a better expense ratio. You can invest 80% of your portfolio into that, and then 20% into like QYLD, and then that would give you some kind of yield, obviously better than what the QQQ is just giving you, but that way you can pretty much customize what your allocation is. So I know that's a lot. I hope I didn't over explain this, but yeah, definitely go check out this website. I'll leave the link below. Give me any suggestions that you guys might have in the comment section below. Feel free to hit that like and sub button. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. Help us out. And then if there's any other videos you guys want me to specialize on, or specific dividend videos, specific option videos, whatever it may be, let me know, because I love hearing suggestions and just an idea of what type of content I should be focusing on. So thanks guys, that's it for this video. Have a good one.